Troubleshooting for no ice making. The ice maker has been running for more than 10 minutes, but the cooling temperature does not drop. 1. Check if the water tank drain is constantly draining water, causing no ice to be made. Solution: plug the drain with a water stopper so that the drain does not leak, allowing the ice maker to continue making ice. 2. Check if the water flow pipe is spraying water into the ice storage bin, causing no ice to be made. Solution: rotate the water flow pipe so that the water outlet holes point straight down, or scan the QR code to get the method for cleaning the water flow pipe. Once water flows normally, allow the ice maker to continue making ice. If the water flow from the ice maker is even but the ice tray is not cold and the temperature still does not drop, place a piece of paper at the air outlet of the fan and observe whether the paper is blown to determine if the fan is running. Check whether the fan operates under the ice-making mode. If the fan blades do not turn, unplug the unit. Remove the rear panel and front panel. If the fan runs normally, listen for whether the compressor has started working, or touch the compressor to feel for vibration or heat. If both the fan and compressor run normally, but the ice-making temperature does not drop and the ice maker does not produce ice, it may be a refrigerant leak causing no cooling. A professional refrigeration repair technician is required to check for leaks and recharge refrigerate.